Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we're gonna cover how to customize your own safety input and output. So once you open up ARCS, go into Configure and go into Safety. The system will prompt you to enter your safety password. But once you unlocked it, you're able to see this in-out page. Inside the in-out page, you can see that there are 8 paired C-in and 8 pairs C-out. Each of them are unassigned, but you can assign it to your own liking. For example, if the first one I want emergency stop, and the second one I want safer stop. And you can do that to any order that you like. Similarly, for C-out, I'm able to turn high for internal emergency stop, or turn low for an internal emergency stop. I can choose any and choose the arrangement as I like. And once you're comfortable with all your settings, simply click apply and you apply. Confirm your changes and your settings saved. And if we go to configure again, you can see that the system has our settings saved. And that's how you customize your own safety input and output. Thank you for watching.